Hello students. Previous class we have learned about uniform motion, non-uniform motion, average speed or speed also. But today we will learn about velocity and average velocity, because speed is also having speed as well as average speed. So obviously velocity is also having velocity as well as average velocity. So let us learn about velocity and average velocity. It is common to start running towards the bus stop instead of walking when we get late. Yes or no? What we are doing? If we got late, we uh, we are running. Yes, instead of walking when we get late. As we approach the bus stop, our pace of running slows down. Obviously, it happened. We can say that our pace of motion changed drastically between the initial and final point. Yes or no? So, our motions changed drastically between the initial and final point. Initially, we have started very fastly or moving very fastly, but finally, gradually, it is decreased or slow down. Yes, displacement is defined as the shortest distance between the initial and final point. Yes or no? That one, distance and displacement, you know that one. How fast or slow an object moves in a particular direction is given by its velocity. How fast or slow an object is moving along a particular direction, then that one is called as velocity. And you all know that one. In case of speed, if we introduced or add direction, then it becomes velocity only. Velocity can be defined as the change in displacement of an object in unit time. Okay. This can be mathematically expressed as velocity is equal to displacement by time, but speed is equal to distance by time. But here we have changed that one as displacement by time. But the velocity of an object in motion is not constant throughout the journey. Yes. For example, if the velocity of an object is said to be 20 meters per second, it is not mandatory that the velocity of the object was 20 meters per second all throughout the journey. Yes or no? It could have covered 90 meters in 5 seconds and the next 110 meters in 5 seconds also. The ratio of the total displacement and total time will give the average velocity of the body. Exactly same, but here previously for the average speed we are calculating total distance, but here only we have to calculate total displacement. Yes, divided by total time will give the average velocity of the body. It is a vector quantity and has units of meter per second, which is same as that of speed also. But speed is a scalar quantity, but this velocity is a vector quantity, because in case of velocity we are adding direction also. Let us see how the average velocity of an object can be expressed mathematically. Suppose an object is at position x1 at time t1. Okay, suppose an object is at position x1, position is given, that is x1 at time t1. The object moves to point x2 at time t2. So when that object moves from one point, that means previous point, that is x1 to x2, it takes t2 time. The change in the positions is given by del x is equal to x2 minus x1. Final positions minus initial position can give the position. Yes, the time taken to cover the distance is given by del t is equal to t2 minus t1. Final time minus initial time. Here that previous one, delta t, is called as the change in the time, and previous one, delta x, is called as change in the positions. Yes. So therefore, as per definition, average velocity is total displacement by total time, or average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. Expressing average velocity, V average mathematically is equal to x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. But in case of speed, what we were doing? Total distance traveled divided by total time taken. But here for average velocity is equal to x2 minus x1 change in the position divided by change in the time t2 minus t1. It can also be written as v average is equal to del x divided by del t, where del x indicates change in the position divided by del t indicates the change in the time. The average velocity tells us how fast an object has been moving over a given time interval. Yes, but does not tell us how fast it moves at a different instance of time during that interval. Let us revise. Velocity can be defined as the rate of change of displacement of an object in unit time. The unit of velocity is meter per second. V is equal to x by t, where V stands for velocity, x stands for displacement, t stands for time. Average velocity is defined as the ratio of total displacement made by the object in total time. It is a vector quantity and has units of meter per second. V average is equal to del x divided by del t, where V average is equal to average velocity. Thank you.